Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nongelam jong ka National People's Party Melim Block hapo kejengelam working president uba Gilbert lalu hne kasngi kala ikendu yang menteri ke Tnat forest jong ke Sorkar jela hadin baki pajba kila penpau ba kadon ke jings air bayo ka Khlaw ka bedon hakathan upper Shillong an itino shak Shipai Suiñ ya kene ke jing kendu menteri jong ke Tnat Khlaw u James PK sangma ula Kular badalei ka Sorkar kanam ai satia ya ketai ke jaka shak Shipai.
Dan apa yang jongi kum kinong ilam jong NPP, kum working president, secretary berani ni ai kubli Sir James, beri minister jong ka forest, ba ilakan syai tu nak yang jongi, hak beri bat kini ka jingpau, kikuri hura, hakipot bor, hakimedia, kini kiperai beradab, sepang kejikong ba ka forest department kamu pendi yang kecaka syaka air force. Jadi hadin bat lami kikrum kadang gubun, bat kipat ba nong Shillong jong ka thana por Shillong melim. Kira nak lagi sosial tiang, kamtam tu Shillong di pemarjan buat ke Air Force. Tnat kadau hadir ba ngir nak kerjang jong ka parti NPP jong ka Melim Block ngila simkia, ban ngila ikendu ye Sir James bat hangni ngila yo ba Myntri ding ba jungi kila yo song, krang ba kanum dan su kanum no gajing kentok hadir habut, bat kani gajing pensyai dasni kanong nadu mentak singi, nadu gini bedap, bat kanum dan su mungkin ye benangja nomor ba nak yang jungi di klan syai, bat nikum ke parti ru nyai budin, bat ngilas sang thuk syai ba hadir habut kanum isu gay bat kani gajing mut nak yang jong kinu gi kenja bakwa ban sim yang tai ke Khlaw kan kut no semdan bat kanum dan su gay teman ngidan kam gi Khlaw dan kam man penet yang jing sa ki kiwa kita long bat ki jitana jong kami mariam.
I'm here with our leaders of the NPP party from Melim Block, Gilbert and Wanda, who's our General Secretary, and they have just submitted a memorandum about the concerns of the people of Melim area regarding the diversion of the forest land to the Air Force. I would like to inform Gilbert and Wanda and all the people of Melim area that this proposal for diversion has been studied, and we are very clear as a government that all these protected forests which fall under the forest department, those are very critical catchment areas for us, and we as a government, we have no intention, let me state this very categorically, we have no intention of diverting any of those protected forest land to the Air Force. So I would like to assure the people of Melim and the people of the entire Upper Shillong, because that protected forest area affects all of them, that we have no intention of diverting that forest land or giving that forest land to the Air Force.